I was going to make a different video today, but the live stream over on Gardener Scott's channel inspired me to make this one instead. The topic was why do you garden? And it got into your garden memories, both good and bad. I thought I'd go over a few of mine. Now, my main reason for gardening is to garden for food. Though since I started this channel, I've been also gardening to help educate others, such as yourself. As far as growing food is concerned, I would like to do better, but I do consider myself successful. There was a time I was a little low on money, and I was able to survive for 2 weeks on stuff I produced out of my garden. I mentioned in my last garden tour how I found a cherry tomato and it was right in this pot, and that's how I got started with my current garden. Though this isn't the first garden I started. I've had a number of gardens over the years. My first garden memory starts right where I'm sitting. Right now it's just a row of papayas. But back when I was little, my dad put the garden right here where I'm at. We'd make rows and grow all sorts of vegetables. I particularly remember there were these purple flowers I could eat. I thought they were rather unique. I still haven't figured out what exactly they were or to regrow them. These aren't the descendants of the banana plants I had. But I put them here because I remember the banana plants being when I was little. I'd come out here, we'd tear down the old banana plants I had already produced, and watch the new ones grow in their place. I don't remember the bananas that we originally grew here tasting very good. Right now I just have my row of pineapples, my Seminole pumpkins over in the distance. But this old border here marks my garden. And I started shortly after I left high school. It was a replica of the garden I had in high school, except much bigger. When I left high school, I took a bunch of plants back with me. I had tomatoes and all sorts of other things growing in this bed. Nowadays, it's just a remnant of what was here, and I've been building beds inside of it since. My row of pineapple, this is pretty much all that's left after my first attempt to grow a garden continuously for an entire year. I have to say it was successful. Besides the pineapple, I had kiwi, green onions, and even a blueberry bush at one point. This marks Nalo's grave. She was my cockatiel. I got her shortly after my mom passed away. She had lost the ability to fly, and near the end of her life she was very sick. I would take her out into my garden and while I watered and have her sit on my shoulder. She enjoyed the sun and the cool breeze. It's a garden memory I'll keep. Though I do miss the bird. The chickens originally belonged to my cousins. I pet sat for them a couple of times, even once during a hurricane. I actually considered getting a chicken myself afterwards. Though time went on and they decided to get rid of their chickens, and my uncle called me up asking if I would like to take them, so I did. The light-colored one is named Flash, and the dark one over there is named Eagle. Of course, my cousins named them when they were very young. This has only covered a few of my garden memories. I hope you make some memories of your own in your garden. And think about why you garden.